Hello guys, and today we are going to learn how to configure company in SAP S/4HANA. So in this part 1, we will configure these three things. We'll make a business group, then we make a company code, and then we assign company code to the business group. So these three steps in part 1. Let's go to SAP, go to SPRO, as you know that, and in enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting. From here you can make a business group, or in SAP it is called internal trading partner. So we can use, as per our requirement, we use this D031G as a business group. So either we can make a new one or copy from any other. Like I have my this is probably mine. You can make a new one or copy the existing one. So change it with your new one. As with our example, we use this one D031G. Make it like, and you could write any name, like in our example D031 group of company Inc. Same here, you can write it D031 G mean group. D031 I will use as a company code, and G mean group, and any randomly you can use postal code if you have, city, country, language, and currency. With this you can save it. So we make our group of company as D031 at the top. This is the new one, and we say it as internal partner, trading partner. So the concept is that it is the main group at the top, and this company has different operating different companies, maybe in different countries. So this is at the top, and now we can open our company code. We can make 1, 2, or any other in numbers. So to make it simple, we just make we have a group, and underneath there is one company. So save it, go back, then you can go there. Here you can define a code. SAP provided some sample company, you can copy from there. So click here. So I think it's US 00 is the sample company. If you go down, you can take it from here, and you can use your company. Like in our company, I'm using D031. This is a new company code. You can make it like any other, you can use it. So we are copying from US 00 to our company code. So all attributes relating to US is transferred to our company. Do you want to copy the GL company code data? No. Do you want to copy the assignment of the controlling? No. Do you want to allocate a different local currency, as it is in USA? So by default USD currency will come, but as we are in Canada, so we need CAD. So do you want to allocate a different currency target? If I select no, it's mean my chart of account will be in USD. So I will select yes, I want a different currency. And which currency? I want CAD. So that was not copied. It's as usual. There are inconsistencies, no problem. Done. Sorry. So from this and this has done, sometimes it gives some error message, not error, it's a message, simple message. So you can just cross it. You can continue copy. It's normal. You can do it copy. It's normal. So you can see that it's the selected company is US 00 and our company is D031. Completed activities. So this has done. We have generated a company code. So you can make more than one company code under one business group. You can create one more. So first step is this. We have prepared a business group. Then we created a company code. Now we are going to assign it. You can see that it is under definition. Now we go to assignment, and here the first item, assign company code to company. So we have to find our business group. It start from D031G. So see, this is D031G, but the name is there Dallas. So we have to first change some of the items. We go again back there, select here. No, now first we have gone to the company copy. Now we will edit this thing. So this is D031. You can open it. Now you can change it. D031. So you can use any company name, like use like DK company, city is Pickering, country is CA, English, now that's it. And here is the address. Company name DK company, street. I think you can write 100. Country, region Ontario. It's a province. You can use this one. You can use this. When you save it, it will give some warning. It's okay. And this you can either use it or delete it. Telephone number will be same, or if you want to change, you can change it. So these are the minimum requirement. Say the time zone is CA is not valid, it's okay. Save it. Go back. Now let's see in the assignment. D031. Now see, it's coming Pickering. Before it is Dallas. So this is our company code, and we are now assigning our business group D031G. This one. Save it. Data was saved. Done. So we have done these three steps. We first create a group, then a company code, and then we assign others. For company code, it's I think 4 alphanumeric values we can use it, and for group it's 6 alphanumeric. Let's check it out. If we go to assignment done, definition, company code, see how many, 2, 2, 4, 5 here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, for group of company you can use 6 alphanumeric, and for company it's 4 alphanumeric values. Like alphanumeric means that alphabet with a numeric. So these questions come in MCQs when you are doing certification. These questions sometimes comes. So that's it for this. This is part 1, and for later steps you can watch my next video. Thank you. Goodbye. And if you have any comments, some feedback you want to, please write in the comment box section. Thank you.